One of the things that you should know when you're building your website is that it's not about all of the bells and whistles that you add. It's not about having a picture where you can highlight the person's head and have their bio pop up or spin around. It's not about having pictures that can spin and give you extra information. That's really all fluff, and all it does is distract the user. When you're building a website, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your user can get the information they need as quickly and as clearly as possible. And if later on, once you know that you're getting traffic and you know that you are getting engagement on the website, if you want to then add some bells and whistles to make it look a little nicer or to try to add a little panache to your website, you certainly can. But don't do that without testing it. Because I promise you, the first time someone visits a website, it's cool. After that, when they try and find your phone number and they have to wait for things to slide across the screen for them to find the number, they're going to get frustrated and go somewhere else. So when you're building your website, just consider that. Make it basic, make it nice, make it clean, make it easy to navigate, and don't make people think.